Now talk about the proof that does this stuff work. Welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video I'm going to review Gaurav Madan Affiliate course, which is for learning affiliate marketing. I am shooting this video second time because previously when I have uploaded on YouTube a couple of months ago, a lot of people complain about my English. I think it is improved a little bit, so now you can understand it. And second thing is a lot of content in the course including price has been changed. That's why I deleted previous video shooting this second time, and I have some custom bonuses for you if you stick to the end. The first thing first, who is Gaurav Madan exactly? Gaurav Madan is an Indian entrepreneur. He makes money by a lot of ways. Except affiliate, he has several other courses as well. For example, Facebook. I have 77 days Facebook advertisement course. Probably you have seen his ad, copywriting course, funnels that work, and some other things. He also owns several products. For example, Stock Nation. It is for finding stock media, videos, and photos. Then he also owns Gramcoach and some other products. And he also makes money with the affiliate marketing. That's most important for us, because obviously we want to learn from who is doing it. Now talk about the course content. As you can see on your screen, I will log into my affiliate dashboard. This is the first video. As you can see, this video is at 2 hours 38 minutes long. For the first batch of affiliate students, it was a live training, but then they record this thing and uploaded on a website, so you will get pre-recorded. That's why you will see all videos are longer than 1 hour. When I joined it, this Google Ads was not available. They do it live for us, but you will get this thing pre-recorded. In this, they are going to teach you that YouTube SEO, that how to create videos and rank in the YouTube, and then he also teach you that how to generate sales using Google advertisement, Google AdWords, again Facebook ads. Then they have also content on that how to generate sales by Facebook organic reach. It's not about like creating a page, it's something else. There is one more section that I want to talk about is bonus. If you check the landing page of the affiliate, you will get 1 year of free hosting with this course. Then they have email template. List build is important. They have some email templates that you can customize a little bit, so you can generate sales through your email list. Then they have bonuses and automated list. See, you have always seen that affiliate marketing provides some kind of custom bonuses if someone uses their affiliate link to sign up. You will get a account of automated list profit. So what is automated list profit? In this, you are going to find a PDF guide about all niches. Either you are in the weight loss niche or make money online, you are definitely going to find some PDF related to your niche. And if you go to this website, click on the join now button. Let me just show you. It will cost you $200, but with the affiliate course, you will get this thing completely free. They have also some custom made bonuses that they have created by themselves, but you can use them for your marketing. Now talk about the proof that does this stuff work. I have generated money with it, not a lot of money because I am doing from the last 3 months, and in the first video, just in a couple of minutes, Gaurav recommend that you spend at least 6 months in the affiliate marketing if you really want to make money with it. But talk about some other students' success. So I am in the Facebook, as you can see, and in the affiliate group. So what I am going to go, I am just going to browse this group, see if I can find some success stories. So this is the first on the screen. Someone has generated his first sale on the ClickBank. You can also clear your doubts here. This is coupon code, not a sale. Someone Aditya promoted his affiliate course and received a commission. You can also clear your doubts here. another screenshot. Okay, let's go to the recent media thing where I can find these things quickly. This is the same. This is a Gaurav Madan screenshot. For this is a ClickBank, another success story. Another success story. This is someone's Facebook dashboard. Another success story generated around 50,000 Indian rupees. One more. So this person does buy Facebook ads and he has generated sale of GrooveFunnels. Another success story. So this thing, whatever Gaurav and Roshni are teaching you in this course, it is definitely going to bring results if and only if you are going to work hard. Now talk about the bonus part that I promised you in the starting of the video. So I am in the Affiliator landing page. So if I go to FAQ section, there is a question: are there any other investments required? Gaurav, write it down. For becoming a true affiliate marketer, you need a page builder and an autoresponder. Autoresponder is an email marketing software, for example, ActiveCampaign. So if you use my affiliate link to sign up for the Affiliator, then I am going to provide you some custom bonuses. Custom bonus is a page builder. It's by Divi. And not only this, I am also going to provide you email opt-in Bloom. If you want to capture the email leads, want to do something blogging, it will help you definitely. I am also going to provide you WP Rocket. If you are worried that is it illegal to sharing someone else's stuff, all the themes of WordPress are come under GPU or GPL. I don't know what is the exact word. GPU license, and you can provide to other students, maybe your clients. So if you use my affiliate link, in a way you are my customer. How to do this, how to claim your custom bonus, you will get a page link in the description where you are going to find my affiliate link, and if you sign up using that, then I'm going to provide you custom bonus. Everything about custom bonuses you are going to find on that page. And the amount of course is 15,000 Indian rupees. In this you will also get his course of Facebook advertisement, his copywriting course, and funnel that work course. But if you already know these things, that copywriting, Facebook advertisement, then they have a Affiliator Gold. It will cost you around 8,000 Indian rupees. But if you are a beginner, you don't know anything about them, that Facebook advertisement and copywriting, then don't save your money. You can save your money, but eventually you will end up paying more. So I will advise you to buy this 15,000 Indian rupees. But if you already know, then you can definitely go with this 8,000 thing. So that is for this video. I hope you like it. So make sure you give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want looking for more product reviews.